Are you in pain? Well, if you are, this is an online program that will uncover the greatest pains in life, yet unearthing the blessings that God has given along the way. Pain is a natural phenomenon, and it conveys one great truth, that we are still alive. Join me in this online program as we will uncover the paracetamols written in the Bible, the analgesic extracted from nature itself, the ibuprofen from experiences of real people, the naproxen squeezed from my personal journey. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe to this program. We are not professionals in pain medicine, but we are people who experience the blessing of pain. Again, this is Pain and Blessings. Have a great moment, everyone. Today's topic is pain and relationship length. Oftentimes, we connote length with success, and that is how we picture out great relationships. However, is it also possible that people pretend to still be okay because they are just expected to be okay? But in reality, they have already been falling apart invisibly. Is that possible? In my experience of being in a relationship, I am also one of the fanatics before that believe that longer engagements or longer pre-marriage relationships are great proofs of future success or impending triumphs in family life. However, it is also in my own personal experience that I counteracted this kind of belief. Honestly, I have been into a relationship that lasted more than 7 years, 7 long years, but it did not end up in marriage, of which the person I courted then is now also happily married, and I am also happy with my present marital life, my present wife. Seeking the truth about the real and the true relationship is not then a question of time or a question of length. It is still a question of the quality and sincerity of love. This leads me to the parable written in the Bible that has something to do with the workmen. The question was asked in this parable, who among the workmen fared better to God? Well, as we all know, the result of that question is shocking in reality. That all the workmen are actually given the same positive answer at the end of the work. Meaning, those who worked for 3 hours, 6 hours, and 9 hours are all proclaimed to be good and astounding workmen. In our own interpretation, we call this plain and simple unfairness. However, if we will try to apply logic, the issue here is, who are the real workers? And it's not the hours the workers have worked. It's the fulfillment of work. Thus, this is very much applicable to love. If you have found true love in just a year, or in 5 years, or it took you 10 years to prove true love, the issue of the truthfulness is not about time. It's about the truth of the love that both of you, lovers, possesses. That is why in my own experience, when my long-term relationship that spanned for multiple years failed, I took the pain as one that is needed for me to realize that it was not yet the true love that is set for me or prepared for me by God. Yes, it is painful. I did not say it is not. It's painful. But when you know the reason for such pain, and when you know that we have to experience such pain for us to grow, it makes the pain a necessity that we will always welcome for our learning, growth, and development. After the experience of pain from a multiple number of years in a relationship with the person I'm referring to, the great opposite happened. I found my life partner with even just less than a year of proving truth of the love that exists between us, and by then we found ourselves already planning for our marriage. In short, we got married. It was during this time that I have concluded it is not the length but the quality and the veracity of the love that both lovers felt that make the relationship a truthful one. So you may ask, what is the role of pain in proving that you are in the right relationship? Well, pain will tell you that you have made the right choice, the right decision. Remember the common saying, it's better to break a heart than to break a home. Leave if you are not sure. Proceed if you are already sure. Before we will close this inspirational chat, let me lead you back to the cross, when one thief said, as recorded in Luke 23:43, "Truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise." God was communicating this to the thief. Like true love, the thief will go to heaven even just knowing Jesus for hours, maybe just minutes. Yes, the thief will have the same chance as the believers who serve the Lord since their birth until their last breath. Why? Because it's not about the length. It's about the quality of faith that we have. And there goes the similarity of true faith and true love. Yes, true love is like a pearl. It is cultivated in pain, and the heart of cultivated in pain in the heart of an oyster, and made precious by the tears of the said oyster until the time of its expulsion. Let us not be afraid of pain due to the length of relationships. Let us remember it's about the truth of the love that we feel and not the length of the love that we have. How many of us are still languishing in pain today because we choose length over the truth in terms of love and relationship? Well, I hope we have seen the light which is similar in true love and in true faith. It is the quality and not the quantity of these relationships. Once again, this is Pain Friend Noy, and this is Pain and Blessings. Be with us again in the next episodes of your nightly inspirational program. Great day, dear Pain Friends.